Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and today we are going to see an alternative use of Mulesoft code wherein we were trying to send an email notification as well as we were trying to store our data in Cosmos DB as many were or maybe some of the participants would not like to use MuleSoft as a code. So I have an alternative solution, okay, wherein you can do the similar thing like sending an email to to Outlook or let's say Gmail, and followed by storing the details to the Cosmos DB. So let's start and have a look as to how we are going to do that. So what I have done is so if I'll try to show you all. So if you will see here, okay, so this is our flow. Let me show you. So I have created a logic app. If you will try to see, okay, it's loading. Yeah, so basically first our trigger would be HTTP request, okay, wherein we are going to basically generate a schema giving the body, okay, like if you will see there is an option that comes up, use sample payload to generate schema. So what you do is if you click on this, you have to give whatever payload that this logic app has to take in or consider. You have to give that particular payload and it is automatically going to generate this particular JSON schema for you all. If you need any changes, you can go ahead and change its type. It's totally up to you. Then what I have done is I have initialized a variable named email body, wherein I am giving this HTML template, okay, wherein dynamic values would be customer name, country, intake year, degree, codes, okay, mobile number, email ID, and date. So now this thing I'm sending in over the Outlook, okay, giving the subject as hooray, and the body would contain the variable name that we had given. Then followed by we are so this is how you basically connect your logic apps to Cosmos DB. So I have basically used this option create or update item, wherein I'm giving the database ID, okay, and the container ID, followed by the item wherein our body would be going in as to it would be showing in the CosmosDB. And I have kept this is upset no, because I'm not doing going to do any update or that kind of operation. So I have kept it to no, and then just a normal response saying that message sent successfully. Okay, so now let's try to test that out. Okay, so we have the bot emulator. Okay, so let's try to see. Okay, so fine. Let's type in yes. So my name is Michael Morvis. Let's say hello, my which country? Let's say I'm giving quickly just to show in as to how you can basically uh, you know connect this particular chatbot to logic apps. Okay, so which degree? Let's say masters. Okay, so I would like to go in 2025. Then which course? I am looking for data science course. Okay, please help me with your email ID. So my email ID is michael.morbius@gmail.com. Okay, so yes, that's my email ID. Or random number just to test. Okay, so we have received the information. Now let's try to see, okay, how our Logic app has performed. So let me go. Yep, I got an email notification. So let's try to see that. Okay, so let me show you the mail. So yep, we have this particular email saying that this is our customer name, country, intake, degree, okay, everything. So we have received the email notification. Now let's try to see in the Cosmos DB. Hope we have got our data. Let's see. So yep, we have successfully stored the particular details to our Cosmos DB. Now, how I'm connecting this particular chatbot with Logic App? So let's try to see that in our code. So basically, what I have tried to do is in our collect user information dialog. If you will try to see here, right here, send an HTTP request. So here I have passed this particular URL. Okay, so Azure, so where I'm getting this particular URL, so we are getting this particular URL. If we try to see from here, mm, we have to go to designer. Yeah, so when a HTTP request is received, so this is how the flow I have created. Okay, and if we click on this HTTP request, so if you see this HTTP post URL, so this you get when you basically save your particular flow. Okay, so once you click on save, you get this particular URL. You have to just copy this URL and dump it to this particular URL location, and this is going to basically do the needful steps. Yeah. So hope you all have liked this particular alternative for the Mulesoft code, and please stay tuned. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel so I can create such amazing content. Thank you all. Bye bye.